have the answer you seek. This is the Aether Staff.
What you just watched was made just by one person. No camera, no crew, no location scouts, no production budget. Just AI, a system, and a creative vision. And a company that pays for that film to exist. In 2026, that's a real business. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how it works and how you can build it from your own computer. If this is your first time here, let me introduce myself quickly. My name is Zaid Sarhan. I'm a creative director with over 25 years of experience in advertising, creative design, filmmaking, and storytelling. I have worked with major brands, built creative campaigns, and directed productions. And today, I focus on one thing: teaching creative people on how to produce Hollywood-level short AI films using a professional system. I created the Zaidronic 6-step framework, a complete filmmaking methodology. Subscribe and let's get into this. Zaidronic 6-step framework. After several trials and after my experiments in AI filmmaking, I tried to simplify the process as much as possible. Not only to simplify the process, the point is to help you produce high quality content on scale. So this is the most efficient way to do it. First one, a lot of people lack ideas. I help you come up with ideas or fine-tune your idea and know what is missing from your idea. Maybe you have a great idea, but it's not polished well. So the framework will help you polish your idea and go throughout a structured process that will help you save time in the coming phases and produce quality AI short films as a pro. The first step of the framework, here we talk about the concept itself. What concept do you have? The story, the genre, the tone, the character. Don't worry, if you don't have an idea, I will show you how AI can help you generate ideas and select one of them. So you'll have an AI director who will help you simplify this process. At the beginning, you need to know the framework and the duration for your video. 45 seconds, 1 minute, more than that. So after that, you will be able to go to the next step. If my AI short film is 1 minute, I need to know that at the beginning when I bring the idea into life, and then I try to visualize it with a storyboard. When you go to storyboard, you will be able to see your idea in life. And this is the critical stage where you decide if you want to proceed with your idea and go steps forward, or you want to refine and change your idea to something else. You will get a sketch frame using AI. So you will know scene by scene and how many seconds per scene. So if you like it, you go with it. If you want to iterate, you can iterate at this stage. Because later on, down the line, throughout the process, it's very difficult to change. Because you have to change the whole concept and start from square one back again. So those two steps are very important for you to decide on what exactly you want to do with your AI short film. Define your actions and assign seconds for every scene of the storyboard. If you still feel that this is something vague and you don't understand exactly what is that, I will show you everything in every single detail. And this is how the course is structured. There is a specific section for every step throughout the process. So don't worry if there is something that you don't understand at this stage. In the storyboard, we define who appears and who speaks. And then we go to the assets. The assets are split into three things. First one, the characters. Who are the characters? How they look? What is their personality? Each one of them. So you lock the characters in. And then the props. If there are like vehicles, weapons, any type of tools, you want those tools to appear inside your video. For example, if there is a jewel, that jewel will appear inside your video, and let's say that it's like an action movie, people are searching for the jewel, or someone has stolen the jewel and the good guys are searching for it. You need to have the jewel as the prop. Also the third one, which is the location or locations. So you lock in locations according to the scenes that you've built. Once you lock in all those three, you can go to the next step, which is the scenes. AI will help you with image prompts to produce your scenes. and see if they fit with your vision or not. And in that phase of the framework, you can change, you can iterate, you can produce more than one scene and be able to combine the pieces of the puzzle to see if this is exactly how you visualize your short film or not. After you prepare those scenes, you bring them to life. So you create the animations, you animate the scenes, you have the sound effects or visual effects, then you define the timing for each one of them once you produce those scenes. In other words, those scenes are images. We convert those images into videos, each one of them. Then we stitch each one of them together and we will have the production, the last thing. If we want to add also more sound effects, music, any dialogues, anything, we can add it later on. Or we can add some voiceovers while we produce the videos or the scenes. The 6-step framework fits any type of genre, and it takes you from an idea to final film. Even if you don't have an idea, for example, you love action movies and you want to come up with a superhero, you can ask AI about a superhero and you can tell AI that I want the genre to be action, for example. For me, I love action movies, and you can go ahead with it. If you like horror, romance, you can do anything you can imagine. The result is a cinematic AI short film that looks and feels like a real production. And here there is something I want you to have right now. Before you even finish watching this video, I built a custom AI director skill that works inside Manus AI and a custom GPT that can help you fasten the process. You can consider it as the creative co-pilot through every step of the framework. They help you develop your idea or even come up with a new idea and build the whole storyboard. They write your prompts, they keep your film on track from step 1 until you have the final video scenes. These tools are free. You can get them inside my free school community. Join free, grab your tools, and start building. The AI filmmaking industry is in its early stage. The people who build their skill, their system, will lead the future of AI filmmaking. If this video gives you a new way to think about what is possible, hit the like button. It will genuinely help more people find this content and benefit from it. And watch the next video I show on the screen how AI directors think, so you can think like an AI director.